Every stitch matters when tackling thick fabrics, denim, canvas, and demanding sewing projects. Best heavy-duty sewing machines deliver the power, speed, and durability needed for reliable performance. In this guide, we'll cover top-rated models built to handle tough materials, consistent workloads, and long-lasting results for home and professional use. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Juki TL2010Q Sewing Machine. The Juki TL2010Q sewing machine is a premium straight-stitch machine designed for serious sewists and quilters who demand professional-level performance. Built with industrial-inspired engineering, this machine is known for its exceptional stitch quality, reliability, and speed. One of its most impressive features is its high-speed sewing capability, allowing users to complete projects efficiently while maintaining precise and consistent stitch formation. The machine is particularly popular among quilters because of its spacious work area and extended arm design, which provides plenty of room for maneuvering large quilts and bulky fabric projects. This added workspace greatly improves comfort and control when handling oversized materials. The TL2010Q is engineered to deliver smooth fabric feeding and accurate needle penetration, resulting in professional-looking stitches across a wide variety of fabrics. Its sturdy construction minimizes vibration during operation, ensuring stable performance even at higher sewing speeds. The machine also includes a comprehensive accessory package that helps users get started immediately without needing additional purchases. While it focuses on straight stitch sewing rather than decorative stitch options, it excels in precision and durability. Number 4. Brother Serger Sewing Machine. The Brother 1034D Serger sewing machine is a popular choice for sewists who want professional quality seam finishing and faster project completion. Unlike a traditional sewing machine, this serger is designed to trim, stitch, and finish fabric edges in one operation, producing clean and durable results that resemble professionally manufactured garments. Built with a durable metal frame and quality internal components, the machine is designed to withstand frequent use while maintaining consistent performance. It supports both 3-thread and 4-thread configurations, giving users flexibility when working on different fabrics and sewing applications. One of its strongest advantages is its ability to handle multiple layers of denim and other thick materials without sacrificing stitch quality. The machine's impressive speed of up to 1,300 stitches per minute allows users to complete projects efficiently, making it ideal for larger workloads and production-style sewing. Threading is simplified through a color-coded threading system and easy-to-follow guides, helping reduce the learning curve often associated with sergers. Included accessory feet such as standard, gathering, and blind stitch feet expand the machine's capabilities and allow users to experiment with different techniques. Whether you're creating garments, hemming knit fabrics, or finishing raw edges, the Brother 1034D delivers professional-looking results with speed and reliability. Number 3. Brother ST150HDH Sewing Machine. The Brother ST150HDH sewing machine combines advanced features with heavy-duty performance, making it an excellent choice for users who want versatility and convenience in a single machine. With 50 built-in stitches, including decorative, utility, and stretch options, it provides plenty of creative possibilities for garment construction, quilting, home decor, and repair work. The machine also includes 5 auto-sized buttonholes, helping users achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. One of the most appreciated features is the advanced needle threading system, which automatically guides thread through the needle with a simple lever action. This reduces setup time and makes the sewing experience more enjoyable. The jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin ensures smooth operation and reliable stitch formation, even during longer sewing sessions. A clear LCD screen displays stitch selections, stitch settings, and recommended presser feet, allowing users to make adjustments confidently and accurately. The machine comes with 9 sewing feet and heavy-duty needles, making it ready to handle a broad range of fabrics and sewing techniques right out of the box. Its sturdy construction allows it to work effectively with heavier materials while maintaining precision on lighter fabrics.
The inclusion of Brothers' lifetime technical support adds extra peace of mind for owners. Whether you are a beginner looking for room to grow or an experienced sewist seeking a dependable machine,
Number 2. Brother ST371 HD Sewing Machine. The Brother ST371 HD sewing machine is designed for users who need a strong, reliable, and versatile machine capable of handling a wide range of sewing projects. Built with heavy-duty sewing in mind, this model offers 37 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and stretch stitch options that allow users to tackle everything from simple repairs to creative sewing projects. One of its most convenient features is the automatic needle threader, which helps eliminate frustration by guiding the thread through the needle quickly and accurately. This feature is particularly useful for beginners and anyone who wants to save time during setup. The jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin system further enhances convenience by providing smooth thread feeding and easy bobbin changes. Included with the machine are 6 sewing feet and a complete accessory package, giving users the flexibility to handle various sewing techniques right out of the box. The free arm design is especially useful when sewing sleeves, cuffs, and pant hems, making garment alterations much easier. Another advantage is Brothers' lifetime technical support, which provides ongoing assistance through phone, online, and chat resources.
Number 1. Serger Buttonhole Sewing Machine. The Serger heavy-duty 4411 sewing machine is a practical choice for sewists who need a machine capable of handling demanding fabrics without sacrificing ease of use. Equipped with a powerful motor that delivers extra sewing strength, this model performs exceptionally well on thick materials such as denim, canvas, and multiple fabric layers. Despite its heavy-duty capabilities, it remains versatile enough for lighter fabrics, making it suitable for a wide variety of sewing tasks. The machine offers 69 stitch applications, allowing users to create everything from basic seams and garment repairs to decorative accents and home decor projects. Its one-step buttonhole feature simplifies the process of creating professional-looking buttonholes, which is especially helpful for clothing construction. Another standout feature is the impressive sewing speed of up to 1,100 stitches per minute. This high-speed performance allows users to complete projects quickly, making it a valuable tool for anyone who sews frequently. The durable metal frame provides stability during operation and helps reduce vibration, resulting in smooth and consistent stitching. The machine's straightforward controls make it approachable for beginners, while still offering the power and reliability experienced users appreciate. That wraps up our review of the best heavy-duty sewing machines. Whether you're working with thick fabrics, frequent projects, or professional-level tasks, the right machine can make a noticeable difference. Compare the features, strengths, and value of each option to find the model that best fits your sewing needs.
like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.